Welcome to Doing Our Bit. I'm Adrian Smale, and today I'll be showing you the Tile Energy's install of my Tesla Powerwall 3 and expansion pack with Gateway 2, and the decommissioning of our original GivEnergy system. Initially I was very concerned about getting the battery out of the loft, but the team did an excellent job, as you will see. And Simon was brilliant removing legacy cabling from both my earlier August 2020 solar install and the February 2022 battery and inverter install. The care and attention to detail was really impressive, so here's the install. Just like to acknowledge my thanks to the Tile Energy team of Simon, Dan, Sam and Jack for a really 5-star installation. My initial thoughts on the system compared to my old GivEnergy system is just how good the software and functionality is. One key difference is my old system would always direct solar generation to the battery and only export to the grid when the battery reached 100%. The Tesla system knows I have enough energy in the battery already, charged at currently 5p, and exports all the solar generation at 12p to maximise the benefit. Also, because it can deliver up to 11 kilowatts of power, it never needs the grid during the day either, as this shows, and the export is better than the best day I ever got in June last year, which was 23.7 kilowatt hours. But I will give a full review of this once I've got more data in a future video. Hope you found this video interesting, and if so, please like and subscribe. Until the next time, let's keep doing our bit.